All right, the notes we're doing today, or the vocabulary we're learning today, are for section 6.2, which are dealing with angle and perpendicular bisectors of a triangle. Let's start back at the beginning. The first thing we need to know is what it means to be concurrent. Things are concurrent when they intersect. So when I have three or more lines intersect, those lines are concurrent. The location of where they intersect is called the point of concurrency. So these three lines intersect, and that red point is the point of concurrency. The next thing we need to know is we need to know what a circumscribed circle is. And a circumscribed circle is a circle that goes around the outside of a polygon. And so this circumscribed circle goes outside of that triangle. A circumcenter is the point of concurrency for perpendicular bisectors. And so perpendicular bisectors intersect, and that point of concurrency is a circumcenter. And so what that means is, because it's a circumcenter, this is what it creates. It creates an outside circle, and that point with that red arrow is the circumcenter. So circumcenter goes on the outside. The next thing we need to know is what an inscribed circle is, and an inscribed circle is on the inside, and so it fits perfectly inside of a polygon. To get an inscribed circle, you have to have an incenter, and the incenter is created by angle bisectors. So when I have angle bisectors in a triangle, their point of concurrency right here is called the incenter, and their circle would be inscribed like this. Okay? So the big things to remember is that circumcenter goes with perpendicular bisector, and incenter goes with angle bisector.